In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add paragraphs in Wix. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor, and once it loads up, I want you to go to the page where you want to add the paragraph. In my case, I'm on my home page right here, but if you want to change page, what you need to do is head over to the top left corner of the screen where it says page right here, and as you can see, I'm on my home page. Click on this and go to the page that you want to add the paragraph to. Like I said, in my case, I'm going to stick to my home page. And once you go to the page where you want to add the paragraph, all you need to do is head over to the left-hand side of the screen where you're going to find the side menu right here. Then click on the very first option that says add elements. And from text, which is the very first option, you will see paragraphs right here. And you have three different options to choose from. Simply drag it onto your website and immediately it will be added to your site. And from here, you can edit the text. You can create AI text as well. You could animate the text. You can also make an internal link and a bunch of different options like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add paragraphs in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.